Good morning, children. Welcome to maths class. So, in maths, we are solving the problems of block 21, which is length. Isn't it, children? And you learned how to convert the units of the length from meters to centimeters, centimeters to meters, millimeters to centimeters, centimeters to millimeters, kilometers to meters, meters to kilometers. All those you have learned, isn't it, children? Now, in the third topic, we are going to do the length problems, that is, length story problems. Okay. Here, children, in length story problems, you can get the conversions as a story problem. Like, for example, Ravi had a rope of 4 centimeters. If he cut the rope of 60 centimeters, how much length of the rope is left? So in that way also you can get the conversions and solving it, isn't it, children? Or Ravi has a rope of 4 centimeters. Convert this into millimeters. So that is also a converting process problem, story problem. Okay. So in length problems, you can get the story problems as converting or addition or subtraction or multiplication or division, or sometimes you can get multi-step also, the length problems only, but the story will be including two operations: addition and subtraction, addition and multiplication, multiplication and division, anything. So that is your story problems, okay, of length. It can include any operation, okay, addition, subtraction, division, multiplication, or combination also. Okay, children. So let's see the sums here. A carpenter. See, in fourth question you have A. That means you also have B, isn't it, children? So let's see first what is A. A carpenter needs to make a table of 67 centimeters, 3 millimeters in length, but the piece of wood he has is 1 meter and 28 centimeters long. How much will he have to cut from the piece of wood? So the piece of wood is 1 meter and he has to take out 67 centimeters, 3 millimeters from 1 meter. 1 meter is bigger, no, children. From that you can take it out 67 centimeters easily, and 3 millimeters also very easy, because meter is the biggest one. Yes. So you have to calculate how much amount will be will he has to cut it when he does this. So you have centimeters, meters and millimeters. So according to Lee, you have to do the subtraction and you will get the answer. Okay, first, as it is a story problem, you have to write the statements, isn't it? So let's write. So length of the table, how much it is? 67 centimeters, 3 millimeters, isn't it? So next, length of the wood. What is the total length of the wood? 1 meter 28 centimeters. Now from this you need to convert into centimeters, because the length of the table is centimeters and millimeters, isn't it? So I'm converting into centimeters. So 1 meter becomes 100 centimeters, 28 centimeters, it is already there. 100 plus 28 centimeters will become 128 centimeters. Now from this we need to take out 67 centimeters, 3 millimeters. So how you will do? So length of the wood he has to cut is 67 centimeters, 3 millimeters. So whether he can cut or not? Yes, he can cut, because it is 128 centimeters. So 128 centimeters, you can only remove 67 centimeters easily, isn't it? That's what you have to mention. Okay, let's see B. If he takes 35 such tables, how many meters of wood will he need? Okay, so 67 centimeters table, each table. Okay, in that way he has to make 35 tables. Okay, now all together you will get in the centimeters, but he is asking in the meters. So after finding, just convert into meters, then you will get the answer. Okay, do you understand? Combination, we have to do the multiplication and then we have to convert into meters. Combination. Okay, so let's see. So now length of each table is 67 centimeters, 3 millimeters, that we have already given in the question A. Now number of such tables is equal to 35. Now here, children, here you have centimeters and meters. So we have to convert into the millimeters because millimeters is the smallest unit. So let's convert this 67 centimeters into millimeters. So 67 centimeters plus 3 millimeters. How you will convert centimeters into millimeters? By multiplying with 10, isn't it? Into 10, 67 into 10. This you have converted into millimeters. Now this you have to write it as it is because it is in the millimeters. We need not to convert it. Now 67 into 10 becomes 670 millimeters and plus 3 millimeters. Now we need to add both. So that becomes 673 millimeters. Now you got the length of each table in millimeters. Now we have to calculate this length for how many tables? 35 tables. So number of tables is equal to 35. Now we need to calculate for 35. So how you have to do? Just multiply. So length of wood required is equal to length of each table, that is 673 into number of tables, that is 35. Okay, you already know how to do the multiplication, isn't it, children? You either go with box model or column method. It's your wish. I have done in the column method. Okay, so into 35 into. Now always start from the ones. Division we will start from the left side, but addition, subtraction, multiplication will start from the right side, that is ones place. 5 threes are 15, isn't it? 15 means 5 you have to write it down and 1 you need to carry. 7 fives are 35 plus 1 36. 6 you will write it down and 3 you will carry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 3 becomes 33. Now you will place an into here. Yes, and also you will cancel the carries. Why? Because it is a 2-digit number. So when you are doing with the second digit, that is with the digit in tens place, here it is 3. If you get carry, you will get confused between the carries, children. That's why you need to cancel the carries with the ones digit. Now we have to go with the tens digit, which is 3. So 3 threes are 9. 3 sevens are 21. So 1 you will write it down, 2 you will carry. 3 6 are 18 plus 2 20. So you will write 20. Now what we have to do? We need to do the addition, isn't it? 5 9 6 plus 9 becomes 15. 5 and 1 you will carry. 1 plus 3 4. 4 plus 1 5. 3 plus 0 will be 3 and 2 you will write it as it is because you don't have anything to add. So here how much it got? You got 23,553 millimeters, isn't it, children? So you will write it down. Now what did they ask? Did they ask in millimeters? No, in meters, isn't it? So what you have to do? You have to divide with 1000. Yesterday we have learned 1 millimeter is equal to 1000 meters. Yes, so you will divide with 1000. So when we are dividing with zeros, what you will do? You will place the decimal. How many digits? How many zeros we have? 3 zeros. So from right side you will count 3 zeros and place the decimal. So 1 2 3. So here you have to place the decimal. That becomes 23.555 meters. Okay, so in this way you have, children, there are many sums. In topic 4 also you have the length story problems. Okay, so combinedly I have taken few sums I have given in your daily schedule. Do it in your classwork if you have time, as it is Friday today. Tomorrow you will have Sunday and Saturday. If you have time, you can try to solve the other sums also. Okay, it's your wish, but few sums I have given in your daily schedule that should be in your classwork. The rest of the sums in your from your content book you can do it, or if it they are lengthy sums, children. I'm telling you, they are very lengthy sums. All the sums are very lengthy. So if you have time, do it. Otherwise I'll include them in the skill sheet. Okay, it's your wish, it's up to you. Okay, so do these sums in your classwork. Topic 3 and topic 4, I have combined them. I have picked some. Okay, if you do all the 10 problems, they are very lengthy and it will be very difficult also for you to do all the 10 sums. Okay, some we will include in the skill sheet. At that time you can solve it. Okay, so these you do it in your classwork. And coming to your homework, complete the volume book, children. Volume book 3, page number 27 and 28. Length of problems S3, length story problems. As for both are same story problems only regarding the length. Okay, so do it children, complete this. Okay, so with this we have completed with our block. So in the next block we are going to learn about weight and capacity. Okay, so see you in the next class children. Bye.